going to take a video of my bird feeders. They're squirrel proof. I wanted to show Rick, and this is the best way to show him. When the squirrel gets on it, it shuts the door, and they'll swing and what have you, and then they think, well, can't get nothing to eat, so then they leave. And the birds are not heavy enough to trip it. But they can climb right up that metal pole and get on them feeders, and that's the only way I could stop it. And you buy them a real king. Now I got this other one. I just bought this one, and it was late last night. I need to get that tag off of there, and it's not up tall enough. So what I'll do is I'll shorten up the string so that it'll bring it up higher so you can see it on the inside of the window. And then whenever you get ready to feed them, you just lower it. I've got this set up here, and that lowers it, making you dizzy here. Anyhow, I'll take that knot loose, and when I get it that sticker off that bird, I'll shorten it up to where it comes up there to the window where you can see it from the inside. And hopefully they'll eat off of this one when they find it. It's not that cold out here, it's very windy, so they're not eating on it that much right yet. And there's my new electric box that I had put up a year ago, and they run it in from a different location off of that pole. And that's my trumpet vine that's died back now, but it's beautiful in the summertime. And my smoke tree, it's beautiful. Okay. There's my little dog out there thinking, have you forgot me, Dad? Alright.